Some cars don't just break down. They quietly wait. They wait for someone to notice them again. This old Toyota Corolla had been sitting here for years. Dust on the paint, rust in the seams, flat tires holding memories instead of air. An old man kept it, not because it still worked, but because it once mattered. When he handed over the keys, his hands told a story. Years of driving, years of life. If you've ever owned a car that meant more than transport, you'll understand this moment. The door resists at first. Metal complains. Time speaks through every sound. Inside, everything is tired, but nothing is truly gone. Cars are strange like that. They remember hands on the wheel, voices in the cabin, long roads, short trips, and quiet goodbyes. Before anything can be fixed, it has to be seen honestly. The dirt, the damage, the neglect. Water touches the surface for the first time in years, and slowly, the past starts to wash away. Listen closely. Every drop carries time with it. Every brushstroke removes a layer of forgetting. If you enjoy this kind of slow, real restoration, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what car you grew up with. Inside, the dust lifts. Fabric breathes again. The cabin begins to feel human. Restoration isn't about perfection. It's about respect. Doing things slowly, the right way. Rust doesn't disappear instantly. It argues, it fights back, but patience always wins. With every pass of the hand, this car moves closer to who it once was. If moments like this relax you, take a second to like the video. It really helps more than you think. Under the hood, things are waking up. Oil flows, metal settles, small parts start trusting each other again. This is always the moment, the one you feel in your chest, the first start after years of silence. There it is, a heartbeat, not loud, not proud, just alive. If you're enjoying this journey so far, consider subscribing. There are many more forgotten cars waiting their turn. Fresh paint reflects light like a quiet smile. Not flashy, just honest. Plastic clears, rubber darkens, the small details come back first. This is why people restore old cars. Not for speed, not for money, but for connection. Tell me in the comments, would you keep this car or sell it once it's done? The doors close differently now. Solid, confident, like they remember their job. Outside, sunlight tells the rest of the story. The same car, a different life. The engine settles into a smooth rhythm. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. On the road, it doesn't try to impress, it just moves forward. And that's enough. If stories like this matter to you, subscribe to the channel and stay with us for the next restoration. This Corolla won't be forgotten again, and neither will the hands that once drove it. The next car is already waiting, and its story is even quieter.